Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your touchscreen stopped working on Microsoft Surface 8th generation laptop. In order to fix your touchscreen, you have to open the Start menu, then search for Device Manager. Once you find it, you have to open it, then find Human Interface Devices section and expand it. And here we're looking for a Surface touchscreen device, which is right here. Now, what we want to do is double click this option, then go to driver. Then we want to click disable device. Click yes. This way we'll toggle it off. And now if we re-enable it by clicking enable device, we may just fix the issue. And right now your touchscreen should be working. And if it's not, then click uninstall device. Confirm. Then just go to power options. By the way, your touchscreen should be inactive right now. So go to start options, power options, restart. Wait until your device is restarted. And after that, after your device restarts, your touchscreen should be reinstalled and the driver should be reinstalled. The driver for the touchscreen should be reinstalled on your computer, and it should start working again. And if it's still not working on your PC, you should definitely reach out to Microsoft Surface, to Microsoft customer support service and tell them about this issue, or just take your laptop to the nearest repair center. But in case it was the Surface, in case it was the software issue of your laptop, then this solution should have helped you, and I really hope that it did. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.